Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I am back again with another video to help you on your journey with Coturnix quail and becoming more self-sufficient. In this video, we are actually going to be talking all about the colors, the playlist that we started a while ago, and we're breaking down every color and jumbo that we have here at Myshire Farm and giving you as much information as possible that we've collected throughout the years, such as average weight, average egg size, how we got the color, hatch rate on shipped eggs for this year, how long they lay, how many eggs they lay in a year, and so on and so forth. So I'm very excited. Today we were planning on doing the autumn ambers, but plans have changed and we're actually going to be talking about the Fab Fee. Now I will get into the Fab Fee in just a second. The reason I chose that one today is because I've had about 8 to 10 questions in the past 2 days about the Fab Fees, and I thought that it would be appropriate just to do that instead. Now, before I begin, you really want to pay attention to this next part because Myshire Farm is doing a giveaway starting right now, and it ends Sunday at 5 p.m. I will announce the winner this Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our regular live YouTube video. It's a live Q&A that we do every Sunday at 7 p.m. I will announce the winner then, as well as the winner of the 18 and under contest that we do every month. So I'm very excited about that. And there's going to be 2 winners. One will be international, not living within the U.S. Another one will be in the U.S. So there's going to be 2 winners. So I'm very excited. All you have to do to enter into the contest is watch this video and comment on this YouTube video, my favorite color is whatever you want, and I am from whatever state or country you're in, because there's going to be 2 winners. Now, the winners will get, for international, $50 worth of supplies of their choosing, plus free shipping. The winner that is within the 50 states will get a $100 Myshire bucks, meaning you can spend the $100 however you want, whenever you want. You can do supplies and eggs, you can do all eggs, you can do whatever you want. You can do it tomorrow, or you can do it a week from now, or well, a day after the contest, or a week after the contest, or 6 months after the contest. So I'm very excited. So just a quick recap. A winner will receive, internationally, will receive $50 worth of free supplies of their choosing, plus free shipping. The person that wins within the 50 states will win $100 Myshire bucks that they can pick and choose whatever they want to use it for. All you have to do to enter is watch this video and comment below, my favorite color is, and I am from whatever state or country you're in. It's as simple as that. Now, I've wasted enough of your time. I've bored you enough. Let's get to learning about some Coturnix quail. Before I do, obviously I gotta say it, support our channel, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. It makes me feel good, and it supports us in helping us give you more videos to help you on your journey with Coturnix quail. All right, that is enough of that. Let's talk about some Fab Fees, shall we? The Fab Fee is one of the rare colors. It is a very pretty color. It is gray, a little bit of black, and white. Now, you might see this and say, that resembles a lot of the feather markings like a Jumbo Wild. It does. I'm going to show you what the Jumbo Wild looks like compared to it, even though we've done a video on it. But you will definitely see a difference. If I can get his feet, there we go. You can definitely see a difference. There. Oh, she's crazy. So you can definitely see a much grayer, whiter, blacker rather than the brown and little strips of gold. So that's the difference between the Pharaoh and the Fab Fee. As you can see, it is much more, has a lot more markings. I'm destroying this video, I apologize. And a very different color, very rare color. Now, if you've watched the future or past videos, you know that this is feather sexable. And this is that's right, it's a hen. We know that because of the feather markings on the chest. So it is feather sexable, which means that you'll be able to determine the sex of them at 3 weeks old. by feather sexing them, which is very nice. I will show you what the male looks like. The back is the exact same, and this one is also a real wild one, but it's kind of hard to see in the video, but it is pure white on the chest. As you can see, the back of it's the exact same. There is still a little bit of brown around the neck, but it is white on the chest. So this is a male, the other one was a hen. So that is what they look like, and that is how you would sex them out at 3 weeks old. Now those are about 6 weeks old. They're for some grow outs that I'm doing. I'm actually working on, and here's another surprise, I'm working on them to be jumbo weight, which we will get to weight in just a second. So I'm hatching those out to increase the weight. I am doing quite a bit of stuff with those. So average weight. Right now, I'm not including this grow out, which I've got about 40 or 50 of them that I'm going to be weighing in a couple weeks. But as of right now, at full maturity, which is 10 weeks old, it is between 9.7 and 10.3 ounces. So the average would be 10 ounces right now. Now, because it's fluctuating below 10, I'm not considering them jumbos at this moment. But we are getting there. I'm hoping to get there by the end of the year and have it tested and making sure that they stay continuous and consistent with that weight. So I'm very excited about that. So they're very fairly large quail, and they're a rare color, which is also nice. That's 2 pluses. Average egg size right now is 12 grams. I'm not really working on the egg size. Right now I'm trying to get the weight up. The egg size should come fairly easy once we get a consistent weight. So 12 grams is still fairly decent egg. It's not extremely large, but it's definitely not on the small side either. So that's very exciting. Hatching true is 80%, about 80 to 85. The last run we did was 85. Before that was 80. I'm thinking that because we've been breeding them more strict and more continuous, the 85 is probably going to stick. But I'm going to stay with the 80 because that's what we've had in the past. So 80% true. What else could hatch out? Well, pharaohs are going to hatch out. About 55% of them, the pharaohs that hatch out of them are going to also make jumbo weight, which is also nice. And then you're mainly going to get the pharaohs out of it, but I have hatched out a few pearls here and there between, not very common, a few growls, and a few German pastels, which is pretty much where they came from in the first place. We did breed the Fab Fees with pearls for a generation to increase the color on them, I think 2 years ago. And then this past year, I bred them with the growls to make them darker. So the pearl would bring out the white, the growl would bring out the dark gray and black on them. So we're still breeding that out of them. So you're not going to get very many of those hatch. Mainly it'll be pharaohs, but it wouldn't surprise me if you got a couple of those as well. Now, the best thing about the Fab Fees is one of the best colors. It's a rare color. It's uncommon. It's a very large size, even at the size that it is right now. It's a decent size egg, and so on and so forth. But a very nice benefit of having the Fab Fee is that it is one of the most consistent laying and one of the longest lasting laying that we carry. It averages 2 years and 1 month of laying eggs, being productive, and they lay between 295 and 305 eggs a year. So that's very nice. The average hatch rate on our shipped eggs this year for the Fab Fees is 74%. And that is my list to let you know. I'm going to do a quick recap in case I was not clear. We are doing a giveaway. It is starting right now. It is ending this coming Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will pick a winner, 2 winners, and we will announce the winners at the beginning of our live Q&A that you can join this Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. The 2 winners One will be international, not within the U.S. The other one will be residing in the U.S. There will be 2 different gifts. The international winner will receive 50 Myshire bucks for any supplies that they want to purchase, and we will include the shipping for them. So that's very exciting. You can buy cartons, you can buy egg scissors, you can buy foamers, whatever you want to do. And the person that wins that's within the 50 states is going to receive 100 Myshire bucks that they can use however they see fit, whenever they see fit. So you can order hatching eggs, you can order live quail when they're available, you could order supplies, and you can mix and match. Shipping will not be included. The $100 Myshire bucks will be included in that. And all you have to do to enter the contest is watch this video and comment below. All you need to comment is my favorite quail color is, whatever it is, and I am from whatever state or country you're in. We will pick 2 winners and announce them on Sunday. So I hope I didn't bore you too much. I hope you had fun. I know I messed up quite a bit. I'm trying to get a lot of information in a short amount of time, so I apologize. And I've had caffeine today, so my brain's just moving. Probably shouldn't have done that. I apologize. So moving forward, I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting. Hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And my Myshire Farm would appreciate it as well. So I hope you enjoy the contest. I hope you enter. Good luck to the winners, or good luck to the contests. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I did not answer all your questions, or you have a question about the Fab Fees, I will be available Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, with our live Q&A. We have a lot of fun. I hope to see you there. Thank you. Have a great day, and stay safe, everyone.